So what's up, guys? I'm back. I'm back with this part 2 sufurs. Wait, let me just slow down the music a little bit so that you could hear me. Alright, and just wait a minute. No. Alright, do you hear me now? So I'm just back with this another video, man. So much sufurs. I just got 100,000 points. And I was playing this game like yesterday. And it was pretty fun, man. This was a pretty fun game I could ever play. But let's go. Get a new score. We're doing it. Alright, so the trees go there. And just get this. I don't want to get the jump boots because it sucks. I don't like that power up, man. Right. Okay. Another magnet, that's so nice. Oh yeah, I forgot I have a magnet. Okay, let's go. Starting now. Alright, doing it. Okay. Okay. Let's go. It's getting faster, guys. Oh my god, dude. Oh my god. Oh my god, I got a magnet. Let's go. Oh my god, I missed that coin, man. I just sneezed, man.